Boy, Lord, me a beg you no fi stop the cry. I am crying for peace. Mr. Shot, I am a crying. I'm begging you please, put on the gun, stop the back up, bye. I am crying for peace.
Production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed and as usual. I don't know. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. Happy New Year. You know the New Year has begun the 1st of January 2022. Or I say give thanks to life. You know, grateful that we live to see it. Not many of people live to see it, you know what I mean? A lot of things has happened the 31st. Zine, people commit suicide, people lost their lives by violence, people lose their job, you know, miscarriage, you know what I mean, suicide, you know, so we have to be grateful, you know what I mean? Relationship breakups, is what I say, so we have to be grateful. You know what I mean? So in this episode, my viewers and subscribers, we're going to talk about Jahshii being arrested, this time certified, and also Jamaican architect, you know, well-known, suspectedly suicide, Zine. Yes, man, that's the thing there, you know what I mean? So my viewers and subscribers, they don't know the routine, a quick intermission.
Yo, what you don't know, original geotext, this is endorsing Lionfoot TV. What me say? Lionfoot TV original, spreading the Rastaman consciousness vibration. You hear me? Teach me, Lionfoot, teach me. Teach me, Lionfoot, teach them. Big up yourself, Lionfoot TV original, you're large.
Yes, man, welcome back. Big up Geotext, the great Geotext, original, you know what I mean? Idol to I inspiration, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, who paved the way. So we have to big up Geotext. Yeah, man, anyway, the Jane, big up yourself. I don't know, viewers and subscribers, so they can look forward to say Geotext on the platform sometime soon, you know? God spare our lives. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. Thanks for staying if you're still here. That shows you care. Yes, man, I don't know. All right, my viewers and subscribers, let's get into it. You don't know, Jahshii lost, has been arrested at one part of Santa Cruz, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. And it's said that he went to a party. I don't know, I'm going to get booked for the event. You see me, I'm going to get booked for the event and ended up, the event could have run out of time, you see me? I know some event go and party, because sometimes the way you schedule it, it bypass the time. When you perform, you know, the time pass, I have to end up the day late. So maybe I don't reach Jahshii. Zine, so yeah, party was being held, you know, and New Year's Eve at St. Elizabeth, and like Jahshii was there and the police them running. So this time he got arrested and charged and got bailed, but he have to go return to court the 14th of February. Yeah, man, so I don't know, we can look up here any statement from his management team or what, I don't know, but I don't know if I say, well, them Jahshii stay safe, stay out of trouble. Me personally, not stop reiterate that. Stay out of trouble and avoid the Babylon them as much as you can, the police them, you know. Yes, because you don't know me talking already. Say once you slip, you slide. Zine, and you also have to take the advice of Wata as well. Have some legal security around you with legal firearms. Zine, not saying that you have anybody running with no illegal firearm. I'm just saying, you know, you need legal person representatives around you, bodyguard who are certified. You know what I mean? Yes, so. I don't know how the thing go. It's not only Jahshii alone was arrested for people say, you know, it's a target, never target him. He was at the event and him and other few people were arrested and charged. So, you know, they have to go to court. Go pay a fine like bad boy Trevor. Big up bad boy Trevor, you know, yeah, man. Yeah, and any other normal people. You know what I mean? So, Jahshii, stay out of trouble and stay safe, and I wish you more success with the 2022. Just focus on your career and do the right thing. You know what I say? So that was a quick update. My viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think, or if you have any information, you know what I mean, about the event, the name of the event, or what, let me know. You know, Jahshii, why he was at that event, I assume he got paid. See? So maybe if me that think ahead or wisely, he would have said, yo, don't know the time, the curfew time gone, you know, which is 1 o'clock. Because my brother keep a party yesterday at Painland. You see me produce, you know, my song produce, them keep an event, and now nothing to do with me, but them keep an event and call it that name. I know the girl them love the song, you see me? The ladies them. And one thing that I want to cut out of my thing, the more time I say the girl them, the ladies them, see? Yes, the ladies them, I'm going to try. So I don't mean nothing but me, I try to correct myself and present more politely and, you know, mannersably. The ladies them, you know, the ladies them love the song, you see me? So, yeah. And for them, the party was locked off. You know, my mother called me and said the police them come lock off the party. And not even 1 o'clock it and them come lock it off. Because it didn't have a buzz. You see me? I say, big up Brits and Bottles headquarters, you know? Big up Painland. You see me? I say, live in love and stop the crime. Delicately and Mackay Lane. Yeah, man. Live in love. You see me? I say, Village, SP with Mango's Town. You see me? I say, Mary Lane. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Live in love. Yes, man. So my viewers and subscribers, yeah. So moving on now, next, for sure I said this brother, you know, nobody's perfect. Sometimes you see people happy, you see me, but they don't know what they're going through. You see me? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell, please, and share the content, because you know over so we send out inspiration and vital information. You see me, I say?
If you're having suicidal thoughts, try ignore that. There are people out there worse than you. Did you know that? Just be thankful and grateful. Your claims that people are what? Chat, judge and criticize you. So what?
Yes, man. Depression. Sometimes I see people happy. I don't know what they're going through inside. You know, I can relate. You know what I mean? I suffer depression, you know. I know I talk it. I'm not the first man I talk it, but I always talk it. And I never used to talk to people. I just suck it up and, you know, drained, and sometimes it affect me. I scratch, I get bumps, you know, I mean, my ear drop out, all of them things there, you know, and I never knew I was depressed until I went to doctor. You know, I was given pills, you see me, but I take the pill them still, you know what I mean. Some people are just the mind, you know, and my viewers and subscribers, this person, this general here, this brother here, R.I.P. to the family them of Kevin Campbell. I don't know him, but I say his name, you see me. Yes, man, so Manchester architect alleged to have committed suicide. So it's not confirmed if it's that until the autopsy is done, but they must say alleged. It looked like a suicide. When the police them turn up, they must say, well, this look like a suicide. So in the clean, it is saying the Manchester police are probing the circumstances surrounding the death of an architect who is suspected to have committed suicide in the Fairbanks community of the parish on Friday. The body of 47-year-old Kevin Campbell was discovered around 1:45 p.m. on Friday. So you know that was yesterday, New Year's Eve, you know. I don't know what led or what caused that you know, fatality, but you know, them said look suspected to depression. And I myself can tell, you know, depression is not a nice thing, you know. You have to know if you monitor it. Enough people give up and weak. You know, and I did a song. Not say them weak, you know, but they just had enough. It can be, there's different forms of depression. You see me I say? Yes, it can be depressed in many ways. You know, just trying to help your family financially, your mother. That's the way I was depressed, you know. At one point, nothing now going for me. Every job I go for, you know what I mean? And it's not like me now have a certified qualification, but just now getting a job. I mean, it really down on my mother there. My mother, I want to get my daughter over here and all of them sitting there. So I was quite, you know, never know I was depressed. Until my ears start drop out, I worry if I'm sick or if I have HIV because, you know, them telling me they do wild, you see me? Yeah. I used to play around a lot, but I stopped. I don't play no more. I have a song for everything, you know, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. You see me? Mm-hmm. Yes, man, but anyway, a serious thing on matter, you know, everyone on the platform, and if you come across this video, yeah, if you suffer depression and you need somebody to talk to, you can reach out to me, man, because who feels it knows, you know, and, you know, just be strong. Sometimes the devil come and say, yo, I hate this, you know. Just don't give up, don't give in, because I have those thoughts as well. If you go out the bridge and jump over, you know. Walk out in a vehicle and anything. I have those thoughts, slitting my wrist and them things there, but I know that the devil will come across, and I'm strong, but I'm not strong enough to fight the depression. If you know what I mean, I'm fighting it, I can manage it, but you know, nobody's perfect. Depression comes, you know. I'm when you're rich and healthy and wealthy, depression, you see me? So I don't know what led, we just have to wait, and any further information I get on this, I will pass it on to you. So you don't know, Happy New Year again. Let me know what you're thinking in the comment section, and once again, if you need someone to talk to, you know, you can reach out to me from my Instagram, you know, Real Lion for TV, inbox me, and you know, we can take it from there, you know. Yes, man, big up everyone. Thanks for your support, and stay safe wherever you are. Yeah, man, God bless us all in this perilous time. I'm out. Not another brother time, I'm out.
Who feels it now? Who feels it now? Enough times we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you be shot at ground.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell before you go, so you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.